Is it the right time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any significant updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 24, 2023, our system has identified Microsoft as a buy candidate with a score of 4.50. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 14.32% since we first recommended Microsoft as a buy candidate 22 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.65% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock has recently broken a strong short-term upward trend and is now showing an even stronger rate of ascent. If there is any pullback, it will find support at the previous trend line, which was broken at $373.39. This level could present a second opportunity for a successful trade. According to fan theory, the next potential resistance level is at $405.61, which may not be surpassed on the first attempt. Looking at the past 3 months, there is a projected 13.81% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This implies a potential return ranging from 2.76% to 12.46%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 45.23% change in the stock's value over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 27.92% and 55.62%. Therefore, the stock's price could range from $483.34 to $588 in the span of a year. In our latest daily update on Microsoft, we bring you the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Microsoft. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, November 22, 2023, the Microsoft stock price experienced a gain of 1.28%, rising from $373.07 to $377.85. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.29%, reaching a low of $374.97 and a high of $379.79. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a 4.03% gain in the stock price, with some ups and downs. On the last trading day, the volume of shares decreased by 2 million, and a total of 23 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $8.81 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume despite higher prices can indicate a possible divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $379.79, while the lowest was $219.35. Currently, the price is 0.51%, or $1.94, below the 52-week high of $379.79, which also happens to be the all-time high for this stock. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, Piper Sandler gave Microsoft a grade of overweight with a corresponding action of hold. Moving on to Thursday, November 16, 2023, Mizuho Securities assigned a buy grade to Microsoft, along with a hold action. Another rating from Thursday, November 16, 2023, came from Wedbush, who gave Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, November 6, 2023, Bernstein provided a buy grade to Microsoft, also with a hold action. Lastly, on Wednesday, October 25, 2023, HSBC upgraded Microsoft's grade to buy with an accompanying action of upgrade. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a general rating of strong buy. They also rate the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Microsoft stock. Let's dive in. We have mostly positive signals in the chart today. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal for Microsoft, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there will be support from the lines at $373.47 and $346.33. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 15.24% increase so far. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also shows a buy signal. It is important to note that despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This may serve as an early warning, so it's crucial to closely monitor the stock's performance. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal 20 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average confirms a buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 31 days ago. Now let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 35 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages confirms a buy signal 16 days ago. If you want to find more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about Microsoft support, risk, and stop-loss levels. Microsoft currently has a support level at $377.44, which means that the stock has found strong buying interest at this price in the past. This support level may present a buying opportunity for traders, as history suggests that an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. When it comes to risk, Microsoft has average movements during the day, indicating a medium level of risk. With good trading volume, the stock is relatively stable. Looking at recent data, we can see that the stock moved $4.82 between its high and low points in the last day, representing a 1.29% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.69%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Microsoft, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. Let's begin with the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Microsoft's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is often observed in companies with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to the latest news, Microsoft's next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.74. These figures can significantly influence stock prices, so it's worth keeping an eye on them. Today, we'll be discussing the potential day trading levels for Microsoft. Looking at the accumulated volume, we can see that there isn't any significant resistance above. This indicates that the stock has the potential to move upward quickly under favorable conditions. If you're considering entering a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine the right time to exit. On the downside, Microsoft's first support level is at $377.44. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point, as there is a possibility of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Microsoft has a strong buy rating. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On October 13, 2023, Microsoft Corp conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of Class A common stock. On October 13, 2023, Microsoft Corp conducted an insider buy of 2,132,082 shares of earnout shares. On November 13, 2023, young Christopher David conducted an insider sell of 10,302,724 shares of common stock. On November 13, 2023, Althoff Judson conducted an insider sell of 11,500 shares of common stock. On November 1, 2023, Nadella Satya conducted an insider sell of 1,162 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be positive with a ratio of 75.927. Overall, insiders purchased 2,529,364 shares and sold 358,504 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $359.96, which represents a decrease of 4.74%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 19 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, the outlook for Microsoft stock is promising. The stock has recently broken a rising trend, indicating an even stronger rate of growth. This suggests that now may be a good time to consider buying Microsoft stock in the short term. However, it's important to note that there is a possibility of a false trend break, which may impact its performance. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Microsoft stock is overvalued. For trading on Friday, November 24th, we anticipate Microsoft stock to open with a decrease of $0.315, starting at $377.53. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always wise to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions about buying or selling securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts on whether you agree or disagree, so don't forget to comment below and share your insights. We're also curious to know what your target is for this stock. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Wishing you successful trading and hoping you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.